Hi friends, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand, Idumudi Shorthand instructor. For all shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. For this shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes to the students. This dictation passage link and other crucial links are given in the description box. Get ready for the dictation. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. The Chief Minister on Tuesday launched the LPG cylinder for rupees 500 under the Mahalakshmi scheme and free power up to 200 units under different scheme, fulfilling two more promises made by the Congress party in the state polls run-up, launching the guarantees at the Secretariat in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister, who holds the Finance and Energy portfolios, and Irrigation and Civil Minister. The Chief Minister expressed his pride in keeping the promises made by Congress party leader. The sixth guarantees for assembly polls were promised by none other than Sonia Gandhi, the Congress patron-in-chief, at the public meeting conducted on September 17, 2023, and the Congress government in Telangana state views Sonia promises, which will be implemented in true letter and spirit at any cost, come what way, he said, saying that the people of Telangana state voted the Congress to power as they believed in Congress party. The Chief Minister said the Congress government assumed office on December 7, launched two guarantees of free TSRTC bus travel to women and enhancement of health insurance cover from 5 lakh to 10 lakh within 48 hours of coming to power on December 9. Today we are launching two more guarantees. We are committed to launch all the six guarantees promised during assembly polls. The Chief Minister slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for increasing the price of LPG cylinders from 400 to 1200, which adversely affected financially poorer families. He also rapped the previous Chief Minister for the state of Telangana for failing to take steps to decrease the burden on domestic consumers. When the Congress chief was chairperson of Congress-led UPA government from 2004 to 2014, she brought the above said scheme to provide LPG gas connections and cylinders to women from the poorer sections of for cheaper rates. After Modi became PM in 2014, he allowed a steep hike in cylinder prices, he also said. In Telangana state, the Chief Minister, who was CM for nearly 10 years, viewed higher cylinder price as a revenue earning source for the government in the form of GST. But the present Congress government came forward to reduce price burden by offering cylinder for just rupees 500, the Chief Minister said. He assured that despite the financial crisis in the state due to huge debts made by the previous government, the Congress government will not go back on its promises of welfare schemes. We are maintaining good financial discipline. We are curbing wasteful expenditure to mobilize and save funds required for implementing six guarantees, he stated. The Chief Minister appealed to the public not to believe the false propaganda of the opposition leaders about the Congress government's ability to implement the six guarantees. He said that Although the state government had planned to launch the two guarantees at a huge public meeting in the presence of AICC leader of the Congress party, it could not do so due to the election code on account of the MLC election for local bodies. In the course of controversy over the officials of the Tirupati temple using a chartered flight to attend a function ceremony in Mumbai, its trust board members have denied the allegations of the political parties. Addressing the media at Tirumala on Tuesday, TTD board member and other officials denied the allegations made by one of the political party. Stop. For this shortened subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes. ఎవరైతే ఈ క్లాసెస్ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి కూడా సబ్జెక్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలనుకున్న వాళ్ళు మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నెంబర్ అయినటువంటి 9704455002కి సంప్రదించగలరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.